Hi there, my name is Heidi Seal from Business Sense Consulting, and in this video we are going to look at reports. So reports in WorkGuru are very powerful, but they are a little bit to get used to. So while we have dashboards and profit widgets and information in different areas of WorkGuru, this is where we can really slice and dice our information to get exactly what we want in the order that we want. So we've got different reporting buckets, as you can see, and in each reporting bucket there are some pre-built reports that we would typically take and then tweak to what we need. We also have some custom report buckets as well, which we can rename in the settings and then only give access to certain staff members to those reporting buckets. For example, you might set one up called procurement and build a bunch of purchase related reports and store them in there. You could have the same with sales or leads reports, bundle them all together to make it easier for your team and also to lock them down on not needing to see everything in those other reporting areas. So let's have a look at one of our reports as an example. So the All Projects Summary Report. As you can see, there are lots of kind of options in terms of dates and that kind of thing, and then it's very important to read this report overview that will give you that bit of insight into what is what when it comes to that specific report. So we run our report and that will return our values, but it sometimes will be not quite in the digestible format that we want. And this is where WorkGuru uses a pivot table backend that then we can drag and drop and expand and condense to suit what we need it to look like. So often what I will do first is press this plus button and then this double symbol here. What that does is expands it out so that I can see, rather than in summary version like we did at the start, we can see it expanded out with a lot more information. Now I might not be so much interested in the year and the quarter and the month. I might just be interested in the total for just in general, and so I might pull them up to the center. Now in this instance I might say, okay, well what I'm really interested in this report is I would like to know what did we forecast in terms of time for the job, and then what did we actually use in terms of time on the job. And I might be doing a bit of a weekly review, and so I'm really only wanting to know our in-progress jobs. I'm not interested in the things that are completed, and I may also be interested in seeing the project name because that's going to give me a little bit more insight into what the actual job was about. And I also may just be interested in due dates that are kind of, you know, the closest ones to the end of this month, so that I can see, you know, based on what's coming to an end soon, where are we at and is there any rescuing that's required. I also just want to take out this internal time job because that is for our own internal tracking and is not relevant. So now, as you can see, I've whittled this down to the key information that I want. Then I can simply save this report for next time. I'd call it my job summary 1 week before end of month, whatever floats your boat there. Save it in the reports area that is most relevant. Choose whether you're happy for users to move report fields and save that on. What that then means is next time I go to my reports area, you'll see in my reports this one is saved and ready for me to just tweak the date range as required and run that. So what I find with WorkGuru reports is it can take a few tries to get that base report that you need that's got the specific items that you want to be pulling together in a comparison. But once you get the hang of this pivot table, condense, enlarge, drag and drop, then it is glorious. You'll have a great time and you'll learn so much about your business. So hopefully that has helped you with WorkGuru reports to get you kicked off in the right direction.